Without this book, life is a misery in the world. And it's a misery at the time of death. And it's a misery in the hereafter. Allah is not asking you for anything. He doesn't want your wealth. He wants to put your mind right. He wants to do this for you. Allah doesn't want you to do anything for Him. He wants to do something for you. وَمَا اللَّهُ يُرِيدُ ظُلْمًا لِلْعَالَمِينَ. All that Allah does not want is injustice in the world. He doesn't want. To Allah belongs everything in the heaven and on earth. You have nothing. You that speaks about freedom to do whatever you want to do, remember that you have nothing. Everything belongs to Allah. You never created a thing, not on your body, not away from your body. Nothing, there's nothing you ever created. Everything. وَمَا بِكُم مِّن نِعْمَةٍ فَمِنَ اللَّهِ. Any ni'mah that you have is from Allah. There's nothing you have that is yours. So what gives you the idea that you can do what you want with what you have? Did you create your own eyes? Anyone create their own eyes? They're Allah's eyes. It's an amana that Allah has given to you. Therefore, live by the Quran. You're not a free man. A free man, we're going to give freedom to anyone who stands up and says, what I have, I created. And subhanallah, you're a free man. I created my own body, I created everything. We say 100% freedom. But if we ask you your eyes, you didn't create them. You created nothing. Say, you're not a free man then. Because you are not a creator. There's only Allah who can do what He wants. La yus'alu amma yaf'al. Allah should not be asked about what He does. Wa hum yus'alun. As for you, you must be asked about what you do. There's no freedom. So whatever they're pumping into our heads about the freedom to do anything that we want to do, that freedom does not exist. It will only begin to exist the moment we begin to feed ourselves, heal ourselves, and do everything ourselves. We have freedom. We say we have freedom. We say we have the power. We say we can do things. We have a drought. Nasalullah al-afiyah. Look at this country. How many years now we've never had any steady rains? For the past 2-3 years, we've never had stable rains. Do something about it. Can you? No, you can't. Then you are not free people. You have to bow down to the Creator and say, Ya Allah, give us rain. Otherwise, you will die of hunger. تلك آيات الله نتلوها عليك بالحق وما الله يريد ظلما للعالمين ولله ما في السماوات وما في الأرض وإلى الله ترجع الأمور. And everything returns to Allah at the end of the day.